Homeleader Mini Oil-Filled Heater, Portable Space Radiant Heater with Adjustable Thermostat, Electric Personal Heater with Overheat Safety, for Home and Office, 700W, White. Perfect performance, 700-watt heating power maximizes radiant heat flow. Temperature control protection knob, thickened steel plate, easy to handle, fanless air circulation and ultra-quiet to work. SAFE and energy saving, the unit has a built-in tip protector and a overheating protector. If the slanting angle is over 45 degrees or fall over, it will shut itself off. If the temperature gets too high, the machine will also shut off automatically. Convenient, easy to operate control panel and easy to assemble. Permanently sealed special diatomic oil. Please note, kindly refer to the user manual before use. Infrared heater, 600W Radiant Quartz Space Heater for indoor use. Small portable heater for home office bedroom, super quiet and light, overheat and tip over protection, warm up immediately. Same as sun, the small heater for office under desk warm objects with electromagnetic waves. The radiant heater warm people directly, instead of other electric heaters for indoor use warming the air. The small heater can adjust 2 powers from low to high by rotating the knob for energy saving. It would not trip the circuit breaker for old house by 300/600W. Tip overheat protection safe. The heaters for indoor use has an anti-tilt switch, inner temperature sensor, cool touch plastic design. The space heaters is made of flame retardant material and ETL certified safety as room heater office heater.